Welcome to the Rancho Southeast Realtors video library series. Today's video is how to submit your listing to Broker Preview. Rancho Southeast Realtors has a weekly broker preview for agents and brokers to hold open houses specifically for agents and brokers to view and cooperate to sell and lease properties. To put your listing onto Broker Preview, first go to www.crmls.org. Move your mouse and click on the MLS Dashboard Login button. Now, log in using your username and password for the MLS. Once logged into the MLS, click on the Add Edit tab. Under where it says Quick Modify, select the listing that you need on Broker Preview. To add a listing to Broker Preview, move your mouse and click where it says Open House. Now, input the required information to add your listing to Broker Preview. Input the date of the Broker Preview. Rancho Southeast Realtors' Broker Preview is held on Fridays from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. For more information like what cities and preview meeting times, please visit our website at www.ranchosoutheast.com. Input the start time and end time of the Broker Preview. Select who will be attending the property during the Broker Preview open house. In the case of a Broker Preview, the agent will need to attend the property. So choose Agent in the list. Move your mouse to Open House Type and select Brokers from the list. Now scroll down and click where it says Submit Listing. Congratulations! You have now successfully added your listing to the Rancho Southeast Broker Preview. Now, just come to our meeting to pitch your listing so agents and brokers will come to help you sell or lease the property. For meeting information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching today's video on how to submit your listing to Broker Preview. For more information and videos, please visit our website at www.ranchosoutheast.com. Have a great day.